Hi everyone, welcome to Infinitely Bold. This is an unboxing video of the limited edition new skin ageLOC LumiSpa. Just recently got this, and it's not everyone is able to get it from the shop, but it's a limited edition that I got from Hong Kong. So it is a Hello Kitty limited edition one. And as you can tell, I've not actually opened it, so I figured that I'll open it in front of you guys so you'll be able to see what's in it and what it comes with. So let's start. So let's just tear this up and see what is under this clear wrapper. Put this aside, and looks like the normal LumiSpa box, but it's just black and with a little paper bowl here that says Hello Kitty. So let's just put this here, and as you can see, the LumiSpa is now black. Limited edition, wrapped in plastic again, and there you go. And there's a little Hello Kitty. Just to remind you that, oh, you bought a Hello Kitty one. So this is the way that it looks. It's a black with a black head. It is the normal head actually, so it's gray in color, so it matches very well with the body. So the white one basically looks like this. So normally the head will look like that. So there's a blue with the white with the nice little silver or gray element on the side. So if you're just wondering if you've got this, or what happens if you get this black edition, and will this head fit this? Yes, it will, because it's interchangeable. There you go. It doesn't actually look too bad with the blue head, so it's all good. Not sure whether Nu Skin will be producing these heads in the normal and the firm versions. So still trying to find that out, but in the meantime, this is what it comes with. So obviously when you get a LumiSpa, you get the cleanser as well. And I believe there should be a charger at the bottom too. And yes, and it's black as well. So, and with the normal edition, which is the white one, you get a white cradle and a white charger cable. So it's for the black edition, you get, oh, it's the wrong side. The black edition, you basically get the black cradle. So there you go. So that is the unboxing video for just the LumiSpa. The Hello Kitty Black Edition is a limited edition. So when I got this, it came with a few other interesting little pieces. So firstly, we have this. So this is the little Hello Kitty little stuffed toy. It's very nice fabric, and you can see that the head is tilted to the side. Very interesting. Not really a big fan of Hello Kitty stuffed toys, but this one does actually look quite nice. So it's just gonna sit somewhere. And it comes with a bag as well. A little tote bag. Very nice, very heavy. So it's of quality. And it comes with this little one too. So I think this is like a promotional item from, you know, maybe some of the markets you'll be able to get it, but I'm not quite sure. So it comes in a little, I think it's like a heavy duty plastic, black plastic with the word LumiSpa at the top of it. And it's kind of wrapped up quite interestingly. It just looks like a meat packet. So just a little thing here, just a little sticker. And when you open it up, it basically is in two plastics. So what is this? It is it's a USB stick. It's quite cute. Look at that. So you've got the USB stick, you've got the black LumiSpa, and you've got a white one. So there you go, everyone. This is the unboxing video of the Nu Skin ageLOC LumiSpa. By the way, I just found this on the side. It comes with the normal one as well, the normal LumiSpa, which is the instructions on how to use it. There you go. That's all for the video, and yeah, check with me back soon if you want to get any of these, and let's just get going.